Today we are going to continue to learn more about AutoCAD. From the home page, we are going to go to AutoCAD, it's life-changing. And then we are going to go to part 4, layers and layers of fun. Once we get to this page, I first want to point out that you do have some required readings. This is the chapter on layers, colors, line types, and properties that's going to go along with the lecture today. Don't forget that your recent assignments were more drawing with AutoCAD and the AutoCAD Fundamentals Part 2 review questions. I want to take a minute here to explain again how the review questions work. They are set up as a quiz. That's how Canvas handles them. And if it is a fill-in-the-blank essay, something along that line, unless you answer it exactly the way that I have put the answer in, it will not automatically give you credit for that. For example, if you spell something wrong, it won't give you credit. That doesn't mean that it's wrong. So what I do is I go in before I finalize your grade and I review all of the questions, and if your answer is correct, even though maybe it's spelled wrong or maybe you put an S on the end of it and I didn't, then I go ahead and give you credit for that. So I manually check them. Once I have manually checked them and updated your score, if you want to take them again, you can. It gives you up to 3 opportunities to take it. But I would suggest that you don't take it again until I review it, because you don't want to spend more time on it than what is necessary. If you have any further questions about that, be sure to let me know. So now we're ready to start on the new material for today. What are layers, you ask? Layers are basically a virtual piece of paper on which CAD objects are placed. All objects are on layers or sheets of paper and are visible on top of each other. What we use layers for is to control the visibility, the line types, the line thickness, and many other things. When we first get into layers, it's a little bit time consuming, but in the end, it's well worth it. It will save you lots of time down the road. And remember, time is money. And if you're organized, it's going to save you time and it's going to save you money. Here's where I tell all my students, if you come to work for me and I give you a drafting project, you complete the project, you turn it in for review, I open up the CAD file and you haven't used layers, I will tell you not to bother to come back tomorrow. That is how critical layers are to organizing and controlling our AutoCAD drawings. When we set up layers, we first name the layer. Be sure to name it something that makes sense. Just like we're naming our files that make sense, we want our layers to make sense. A lot of companies will have their own layer naming standards. We also need to assign a color to a layer. The colors are typically tied to the plotting assignments. For example, the plotter may be set so that it draws the layer set up as green, and that is a heavy, thick line. When it draws the layer set up as red, it is a thinner line. So it's tied to our printing. When you go to work somewhere, they will more than likely have this color to plot assignments all worked out, and they will tell you what those are, and if you create new layers, you need to work within those requirements. We also need to assign a line type to a layer. We can use all kinds of lines in drafting. We use solid lines or object lines, hidden lines, center lines, many different kinds of lines. So we may have a layer called center, and we assign the center line type to that layer. Speaking of center lines, we use these a lot in drafting. We use center lines for circles, holes, drills, etc. AutoCAD has a special tool for this, and I will show you where that's at. It's under the Annotate tab on the ribbon. I know we already talked about properties, but I think it's important again to mention this. By using list and properties commands, we can check our work in a lot of cases. We can also make changes to our objects in the properties dialog box instead of redrawing things. Guess what? If we have to redraw, we are taking time. And again, time is money. That is a very quick introduction to layers. And now we are ready to go into AutoCAD, where we will go into much more detail about layers.